Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore dividend tracking using SimplySafe Dividends easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore dividend tracking using SimplySafe Dividends, begin by logging into your SimplySafe Dividends account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Portfolio section on the left side menu. Click on Portfolio to open it. If you have existing stocks, review them to check their current dividend status. To add a new stock, select the Add Stock button at the top right corner. Enter the stock ticker symbol of the company you want to track. Click that Add button to include the stock in your portfolio. After adding the stock, you'll see its dividend information displayed. If you need to adjust dividend settings, click on the stock name to access its details. Within the stock details, look for the Dividends tab. Here you can view historical dividend payments and upcoming dividends. To restore tracking, ensure that the dividend payout frequency is set correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, you can manually adjust the upcoming dividend payments. For stocks that have changed dividend policies, make sure to update the dividend amount accordingly. Once all updates are made, return to the dashboard. Your restored tracking should now reflect in your portfolio overview. Regularly check your portfolio for any dividend notices or updates. This will help you maintain accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.